there's only one way you can actually improve yourself, which is learning from the best of the best themselves. So I thought I'd approach Mark in that sense. So my name's Rudolf. I've been a PT for around 6 years now, and I found out about Enterprise through training here and just training with the trainers here as well. There's a lot of things that just resonated. So for example, I like the way it was structured, where it was structured simple. Every lesson was like a cascade of events. So for example, one led to another, and it just reinforced that learning where it just sunk in. You can understand it a lot easier than what people think it would be, considering there's a lot of info and just condensed into like 3 small days. To be honest, there's nothing specific, but there's a lot that I'll be implementing. There's a lot of things that I can change. For example, it covered a lot of things from training, nutrition, and the business aspect of it as well. So I think it's just more so the broader range rather than the smaller range, where it's going to improve both myself as a trainer and my clientele when it comes to results. 100%. I always think education is quite high up there because everything's always revolving and evolving, so there's always new pieces of information, new research. So if you're not keeping up to date, what happens is your training gets outdated, so your results stagnate. So if you're not pushing or challenging yourself to improve, your results don't improve as well. So for example, you always get the same results with clients, or you won't get more results, or what pushing further what you can do with clients as well. I found Mark as an easy mentor because we got along really well, as well as one of the knowledgeable guys in the industry. So with the internship, like I said, if you actually pay attention and listen and really ask questions, it's a great learning tool to progress yourself as a trainer. Also, as an individual, like the mental aspect of it as well, because you can see and fill those gaps that you might have within your own knowledge.